Hey everybody. So since we are into the winter season now, I figured I'd do a video about heaters. And I figured it would be a good time to give a little demonstration and a quick review of this Vornado MVH heater that I got recently. Now these units are available from Amazon, and I believe you can buy them at a lot of local stores as well. This one cost me about $60, so they are not cheap, but they seem to be very well made. We'll get this unit out of the box here, and I'm speeding it up a little bit because it does take some time to get this thing unpacked, especially from all the plastic. You can kind of see the heater here. It's not your typical cube-shaped heater. One notable thing about Vornado is that all of their products are covered by a 5-year warranty, and that is almost unheard of in today's world. So we'll get the cord all unwrapped here, and we'll get this thing connected to power. But first I'll take a look at the control panel. This has 3 switches up here, the red one on the right being the on-off switch, the one in the middle being the heat level switch. It has heat levels 1, 2, and 3, which are low, medium, and high respectively. Each of those settings is 750 watts, 1125 watts, and 1500 watts. And then on the left is your thermostat. And this is a nice thermostat with a good click to it. It's not your typical bimetal switch that you'd see on a lot of your lesser heaters. I like this control panel. It's easy to use, it's very straightforward, and what I like about it over an electronic panel is it's reliable. Typically these things don't break. And so with that, we'll now go ahead and get this heater turned on for you. One thing of note about it is that the fan is really quiet. You truly can hardly hear it at all. Moved up to setting number 2 now, 1125 watts. The fan does not change speed when you run through the heat levels. And we'll go up to full power, which is 1500 watts. And we'll show you the thermostat really quick here. And we'll just turn it down until it clicks off. And right there you just heard the thermostat click off. What I like about this thermostat is that it doesn't stutter like a lot of these tend to. It just tends to snap the heater on and off very positively. And you just heard it click back on there. So we'll now take a look at the front of the heater here as it runs, and I'll take you on a little look around it. Again, it just is remarkable how quiet this heater runs. Now these heaters feature a couple of safety systems on them, one being an overheat protection switch and the other being a tip-over safety switch, which is just a little spring-loaded button here underneath the base of the heater. This cuts power to the unit when it tips over and restores power to it when you put it back upright again. We'll go ahead and shut this heater off now. So in closing, I find this to be a pretty good heater. It's easy to use, it's powerful, and they seem to be very durable. The Vornados that I've had have lasted a very long time, and I've been very happy with their performance. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this demonstration and review of this Vornado MVH, and thank you for watching, and we will have more to come. So please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Later.